Welcome to Tech Hub Academy. Today you'll learn something very important: how to set up a real HTML page. Before you use elements, styles, colors, or formatting, you must understand what the structure of a web page looks like. Let's build it together. Open Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and name it documentstructure.html. On your keyboard, press Shift and 1 to create an exclamation mark. Then press the Enter key. Visual Studio Code will instantly generate the HTML Boilerplate, or you can call it Starter Template or Default HTML Structure, the basic starter code for every web page. DOCTYPE HTML tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. The HTML lang equals en attribute tells the browser the page is in English. Lang is an attribute for language, then HTML is the tag. The closing tag is the last, as you can see. The head element contains information about the page but doesn't show on the screen. Inside the head element we have the char set. Tribute allows the page to display all kinds of characters like letters and symbols. The name attribute and the content attribute in the meta tag makes the page responsive so it looks good on phones, tablets, and computers. The title element helps to create the text that appears on the browser tab. In the body element is where all the visible content goes: text, images, buttons, and everything else users see. To add a small image on the browser tab, we use something called a favicon. These are tiny icons websites use to identify themselves. So go to the end of the last HTML element in the head element, then enter. Open angle brackets and type in link. This tells the browser that you are linking something to the page. Add a space, then type in rel. Inside the quotation marks, type in icon. This tells the browser that this file is the tab icon. Add type. Inside the quotation marks, type in image/symbol, x, add a hyphen, and finally type in icon. Add a space, then type in href. Go to File Explorer and look for any image, then click it once. Right-click it, then copy. Go back to Visual Studio Code, then paste it in the quotation marks by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Lastly, add the closing angle bracket at the end. Finally, save your work. Open the document structure file with any app of your choice. Here we see the image and title appear in the Browser tab. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Today you've learned the structure of a real HTML document, the exact foundation every website in the world begins with. You now understand the doc type, the HTML tag, the head section, the meta tags, the title, and the body where all visible content goes. If you found this lesson helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and share to support Tech Hub Academy and help others learn too. Don't forget to follow us on all our platforms for the latest tutorials, tips, and updates. In our next lesson, we will explore HTML styles, CSS. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep creating.